Hello. Hi guys, I am Vishal and I welcome you all to yet another video in the Databricks playlist. So in the previous video we have seen how we can filter based on a column and based on multiple conditions we can filter the data from our data frame. So in this particular video we are going to see how we can sort the data frame based on certain condition or based on certain column. So let's jump right into the screen and let's get it going. So first of all, I will create a markdown where I will write as sort data frame using Spark. Okay. And now let's see how we can sort our data frame. So firstly, let me display the data frame that we will be using. So we will be using the life expectancy data set itself, right? Where we are having multiple columns. We have seen this data multiple times now, right? Now let's say if I want to sort the data based on certain column. So I want to sort the data based on the year column, right? I want to sort it. I can even use the UI of this particular Databricks platform to sort it. But let's understand how we can sort using the PySpark. So it can be simply done by using the sort function firstly, right? So df1 will be equal to df.sort, okay? And it can be, we can use df dot year, right? And then I can display df1. So now if you see, the data has been sorted based on the year. So year 2000 is at the very top. Then we will see year 2001, 2002, and so on. So it has been sorted. Again, if I don't want to use df.callName syntax, I can use the call function also. So df1 can be equal to df.sort dot sort, and I can put call here. Then I can display my df. So in this particular case also, we will get the very same output. Right? But if you will notice one thing very critically, so the runtime that is being the runtime that is being taken for running the df.call syntax and using the call function. So for call function, it's a bit more optimized as compared to the df.call function. Even if I go scroll at the top, right? So if you will see, if we compare it, so if you will see right here that if we have used df.column name, right? So the runtime is around 1.61 seconds. Whereas if we have used the call function, so the runtime is 0.86 seconds, right? So it's preferred to use call function, but also depends on your comfort and also the volume of the data. So if the volume of data is not too much large, you can use any of them. But the preference should go to call function, right? Now, if I want to sort the data, the year data in the descending order, right? So currently it is in ascending order. It is 2000 and 2001 and 2002. Now, if I want to sort it in descending order, it can be done something like this. df will be equals to df dot sort, right? I will use call function. I will use year, and then I will use something as desc function for this. Okay, and then what I will do, and then I will display my data frame. So now if you see, the data frame has been sorted in the descending order, right? So from 2015 to 2014 to 2013 and so on, right? Now what I want to do is, right? I can even order by. So the like there is a sort function and there is also a function as order by. I can also use order by to do the very same thing. So I can use df dot order by. Again, let me use df dot year, and I can use display df1. Okay, the very same output what I have got using the sort function, right? And very quickly, if I want to do it using the descending order, what I can do is that I can add a function as desc, right? Okay, df.order. Oh, cool. I will have to use it right here on the column, right? So now you can see that the year has been sorted on the or ordered on the decreasing order of year. Now, can we use two columns to do the sorting? For sure, we can. So how it can be done? So it can be done something like this. Let's say df1 will be equals to df dot sort, and we can use, first of all, let's say year itself. Year should be in the decreasing order, right? And then we can put a comma. Okay, all, and let's say adult mortality we are using. Okay, so I will copy column name, I will paste it here, and let's take adult mortality in ascending order itself, and then I will run it. So now if you will see, so year has been sorted in the descending order and the adult mortality has been sorted in ascending order for that particular year. Okay, so how the sorting will work is, first of all, it will sort. So because the year column is being sorted first, it will first of all sort year in the descending order, and then it will go on to the adult mortality column and it will sort it in ascending order. Can it be done in the decreasing order? Yeah, for sure. So I can use .desc here also for sorting my adult mortality in decreasing order also, right? So now if you will see, so year has been sorted again in the decreasing order and adult mortality has also been sorted in the decreasing order. The very same thing can be done using the df dot column. Then if we will be using year equal to decreasing. So let me just show you writing one of the queries. So I can also write it as df1 will be equal to df dot sort. Okay. So currently we have used sort. Now let me use order by. Okay, by showing you the other syntax. Df dot order by. I can use df dot year, right, in decreasing order. Then comma df dot adult mortality in decreasing order again. So both of them will be giving us the exactly same output, right? So if you see, we have got Losotho at the top, then Sierra Leone at the second number, and again if you will see at the upper one, that Lesotho and Sierra Leone, then Central African Republic. So again you will see Central African Republic. So you can use either sort or order by, and you for selecting column, either you can use df dot column syntax or you can use the call function. But for sure, call function is recommended, right? Talking about the optimization of order by and sort function. So both of them works parallelly well. So you can use any of them depending on your comfort zone, right? This was pretty much it for this particular video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye.